up, guys? I thought I'd take you along with me this morning as I go pick up the food that I'm going to take for lunch today at my local grocery store. Well, it's not really, it's the one I use when I go to work. There's a closer one to my house, but this is the one that's on my route to work. And this is the one that I'm going to go to get my lunch.
I'll say hello to Fran. Bar will be
Hi.
here. Bar will be here at 12.
I would be getting one of these. Well, I don't use the ingredients that are in there, just the vegetables, not the little packets. I will also come down here and get some, hopefully they have some Greek olive salad, because that is what I enjoy quite a bit. A lot of times they're sold out of it and I have to get an alternative, but they do have it. Okay, my Greek feta salad. Okay, and I need to get a can of tuna. I need to go, they got these arrows, I don't want to, oh, no more arrows. Oh, okay. Cool, they pulled the arrows up. They used to have arrows in here that dictated which way you needed to walk up and down the aisles, but I see they don't have them anymore. I'll get a can of tuna. By the way, if you like sardines, these King Oscar mackerel and olive oil, Mediterranean style, yeah, these right here, fantastic. But now I'm just going to get some tuna. I'm not really particular about what kind of brand of tuna I get, but I do like it in water and not in oil. I think I will try that's got olive oil, so no. These are only $1 a piece. I think I'll get a couple of these. And I need to go find out if they got some drink mix that I like. It's 4C green tea brand. That's my drink of choice. Nope, they appear to be sold out of it, because there's a guy apparently that comes in here and buys it all, so I either have to buy the peach tea, the half and half, which I don't need. Anyway, yeah, they got a green tea that typically is sold out quite often, but this is my lunch. Some of this stuff, this is better because it's cabbage and it lasts a lot longer than lettuce. The olives and the tuna, so half of this and a can of tuna, that's my lunch. I love it, turns out well. How you doing?
You thought I was coming out here to help.
Please wait.
I did
Help
that.
is on the way.
Uh-oh.
Shut up. Okay, now, go, go, go.
Thank you. You too. So there we go. That woman that was giving me the hard time, she her name is Evelyn. She is probably one of the most pleasant humans I come across in my daily travels. She's normally a cashier, but she kind of made me use the self-checkout today, but it's all right. She's very pleasant, always in a good mood, and it's nice to run into people like that. Yep, there we go. That's my that's gonna be my lunch for 2 days. I don't know how many calories it is, but those olives have a lot of calories with them because olives and olive oil are pretty heavy in good calories for someone on keto. So that's my thing, a salad with olives and some kind of meat, typically tuna, for some protein.
Hours later.
Well guys, I stopped on the way into work this morning to pick up the groceries for lunch, and now I am on my way home, and I ordered my groceries, some more groceries, not for lunch, but I had to get some milk and some necessities for home, and I ordered them online, so I will be picking them up at Food Lion in Bowling Green. So I'm probably going to take you guys along for that.
A few moments later.
And that is how you pick up your groceries at the Food Lion. Just that easy. What's up guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle ride, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.